Hey guys, welcome back to my Java tutorial series. And two things before we get started. One, thanks for watching if you've watched all my videos, or even if you just watched a few of them. Thank you, I really do appreciate it. And number two is that this series will be shorter than the last one, probably about half the length, so 15 to 20 videos. I think I might have mentioned this before in another video that I uploaded. As well as the series is picking up right where the other one left off. So we're going to talk about arrays and other ways to use them. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use an array as a private property in a class. So I have these two classes. I have a main, which is just a main. Mine's still the tutorial one that I was using last time. You can have it whatever you want. And then I have this other class called the pound. And this class is going to contain an array of dogs. Well, dogs, we'll say. We're going to get more technical as we go, because the next video might be a little bit different. But this one we're just going to have an array, a string array, and we're going to call it dogs. That's it. We're just going to have a private array. And then we're going to make a constructor where we're going to have an integer passed, and we're going to call it array size. That way we know how big this array is going to be. And I spelled pound wrong. There we go. And now we're going to say dogs is equal to new string array size. So let's see what we did so far, just so I can catch you guys up. We made an array as a private property, but we didn't say how big it is or what it contains. We just said, Java, we're making an array called dogs, make room for it. Now, in the constructor, we're saying, okay, remember that array we made? We're going to have it be whatever size we need it to be, whatever we're passing it as this object. So that's what we did so far. Now, I'm going to make another method called set array element. I'm going to pass an integer for the location and then a string for the name. That way we can keep track of all of our dogs that we have here. Oh, we need a void return type. Don't forget your return types, guys. So we're just going to say dogs at location is equal to name. That's all we're doing. And then we're going to make another method for printing the array, or print element, let's call it. And we're going to pass location. And we're just going to do a print line, and we're going to do dogs location. That's it. That's all we're doing. It's really straightforward. I just want to show you guys that you don't always have to have a array in your main or somewhere else, and just like you don't have to have them just in method. You could have them belong to a certain class. And so we're just going to make a quick pound object. We're going to call it object1. And I believe what was the constructor? It had an array size, so it's going to pass it. 3's good. 3's fine for now. And then we're just going to do object1.set array element, location 0, spot. I'm just going to copy and paste this a few times. I'm going to make this a 1 and this a 2. Rover and Rufus for the other dogs. And then we're going to just do object1 dot print array element, and we're going to print element 2. So we're going to run this, go down here, and Rufus. That's exactly what we expected. So really, this is just a cleaner way to run programs with arrays. Just, you don't have to shove them into your main. Like, you don't have to have all the arrays just, sitting here, like integer array, array 1, or integer array, array 2. Like, you don't have to do that. You can do it in a more graceful way, and I'm just kind of showing you guys an example of how to do that. In the next video, I'm probably going to do it something like this again, except instead of having just a string array, I'm going to have an actual array of dog objects. So it's a little bit more advanced, a little bit different, probably more applicable to more situations, I guess you could say. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this video wasn't too long because, you know, I don't like making these longer than like 5 or 6 minutes. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Goodbye.